Hi, my name is Mr. Lee, and I'm going to show you an app called Tellagami. Tellagami is an app that allows students to create their own little character, and when recording their voices, the mouth will mouth along. Alternatively, if you don't want to create a voice, you can always type it in and the app will try and calculate what you want to say and go ahead and say it. Let's try the app now. Okay, so we're going to open the app Tellagami. It's just this one here. Fantastic. It's a very simple interface we're going to create. If you would like to have a look at the how-to section, you can. Let's go to create. So this was the one I created for my introduction, and we're going to reset. Just to start over again, this is probably what you will see when you come to it. So there are a few things we can do. On the left hand side here are the activities that we can change, so things to change with our character. We can record a voice, we can type the voice, we'll come back to that in a moment, and if there's any questions we can ask it down there. So let's have a look at our character. Now this is where your students can set the different things for your character and more customize it. So we've got gender, change it to male or female. For this example I'll choose female. Skin tone, eyes, head, and you can decide if you want to be a bit silly, you can have a big silly head. What happened there? We can change our eyes, different eye colour. I don't really need to go into too much detail, but there are lots of different things that you can do with the app. It's just essentially changing your avatar. So eyes, head, hair, top, bottoms and shoes. Okay, let's just keep it at that. On the left hand side, underneath character, is emotion. Now this is really good if the students are doing a particular emotion, or there's a speech that they're trying to write, or there's some direct quotes that they would like to share. They can choose how the character looks. So if the character is neutral, that's fine. If the character wants to be a little bit silly, if the character is scared, and your character, as you go ahead and either type what you want to say or speak what you want to say, will keep that emotion. In my introduction I chose happy, but in this case let's choose surprised. On the left hand side here we can choose background. So I can actually take a photograph of a place in the school, or just an area. Maybe I'm introducing somewhere to do with a history place, or maybe I'm in a science lab and I'm demonstrating a certain experiment or trying to explain something. The possibilities are endless, of course. If you want to draw your own background, you can. Or if you've already taken a photograph and you would like to use it, then you choose from library. Other than that, you can actually decide to use maybe one of theirs. Probably best if you start off using one of theirs to start with. Let's choose that one, which is fine. And share. We're only going to get to share at the very end, once we've put in what we want to say. So let's swipe that back. We've finished with our background. Yep. Okay, now go back to character, and I can move my character left and right. And if I can get rid of this, I forgot to do that. And, oh, back. Okay, there we go, back. So once we've got back to this main screen here, I can actually make my character smaller, I can make it bigger, and I can place her somewhere in the area. So let's make her a bit smaller and place her there. It's going to look a bit silly with a male voice with a female character, but we'll try. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you type. So with typing, I can choose what type of voice I want. So these are the different types of voices. Your students can go through and have a listen to which voice they would like to choose. So it might be a bit difficult to hear on the video. So we've got different.
Hello, my name is Julie.
What different types of voices and things that and the tone and the pitch that they say. So some are young children, some are older women. It's completely up to you which one you want to choose. So I'm going to type in this section here, what the text that I want to say. Welcome to my classroom. Okay, once I've finished the text, now I've got 426 characters, so I can write a good few sentences, but in this case I'm just going to keep it short. Click on Done. Oops, there was an error. Please try again.
Hello, my name is Susan.
Welcome to my classroom. Today we will learn about frogs. No, it's not going to work for me. Okay, that's okay. To be honest,
Welcome to my classroom. Today we will learn about frogs.
Oh, there we go. So I'm not too sure why that error came up. But there we go, that's an example. I'll show you again.
Welcome to my classroom. Today we will learn about frogs.
So it takes the text, turns it into a voice, the character's lips move, it uses hand gestures in certain places, and if you would like to get your students to say the voices, they can do. So I'm going to press record, and up here is record and preview. I want to record first, and I've got 30 seconds to do so. Hello, welcome to my classroom. Today I'm going to teach you all about frogs. Hello, welcome to my classroom. Today I'm going to teach you all about frogs. There we go. Now once you've got you've previewed it and it's the way you want it to, how it sounds and how it looks, and you're happy with it, you're going to go down here to share. Now in share there's a few things you can do. You've already previewed it, you don't need to preview it again. You can save it, and when you save it, it will automatically save it to your photos section in your iPad. And from there you can either email it if you want to upload it to Dropbox or Google Drive. You can do any of those things. Now the way I see the use for this app is you can use it for ask children to describe certain things, maybe take out text, maybe take out speech in texts. They can draw a background, they can say the direct speech. A lot of what the Australian curriculum in Year 5 and Year 6 is being able to identify direct speech, and this would be a great way to show direct and therefore indirect speech. There's the possibility of getting the kids to use it to explain certain things. So yeah, I think it's a fantastic app. The kids that I use it with certainly enjoy using it. They've found their own way of being able to create certain things and be able to show certain outcomes. And that's one of the most important things when you're using information technology in the classroom, is that you want to give the students the outcome, then give them a tool or a number of tools and let them create something, because they will create the most amazing things that we as teachers might not ever be able to come up with ourselves. So there we go. That's Tellagami. I hope you and your students enjoy playing with this app and seeing all the different possibilities that you can do. Enjoy!